Hi, this is Dr. Joshua Cooper. Let's continue our theme of highlighting text by creating a little fun animation that will basically draw a circle around a line of text or any other object for that matter. So let me go and start by going to our home menu, and I'm going to use the curve feature, and we're going to draw a circle that doesn't quite line up, as if you're taking a pencil and just roughly circling around something. So I'm going to click in a circular pattern. We can edit this in a moment. Something like that. And I am going to right click on it, and I'm going to edit the points and make this look a little bit smoother, as we have reviewed before. All right, something like that. Now if I click on this and I go to the animations menu, there's this appear animation called wheel. And what that does is it's going to, in a circular fashion, reveal the object. So I'm going to click on wheel. Let's play this animation and see what that looks like. All right, I didn't have it lined up exactly right, but you can see it sort of gradually draws the line that you created. The problem here as I play this again is I didn't quite, the wheel starts at sort of 12 o'clock and I kind of have it past the midline. So I need to edit these points in order to not have this little bit at the beginning appear at the end. So I'm going to right click again, edit points, and I'm going to move this point a little bit back this way and maybe move this a little bit forward and upward. And let's play again and see what happens. Perfect. So now let's use this to highlight text. So I'm going to go to Home, create a text box, for example, line 1, line 2, line 3. Let's click on the text box. Let's make the text white, and let's increase the font size. That is not a 1. Sorry about that. So let's say I'm going to right click on this. Let's say I want it to be red. So I'm going to click on the color here and make it red, and now you want it to be just the right size here for your text. Let's see what that looks like. Let's go back to our animations pane and animation pane and play. There it is. So let's say you want to sequentially highlight different parts of your text. I'm going to Control C, copy paste, put this over here. And we also reviewed that you can, instead of copy paste, you can hold the control button down, click on the object and drag, and it's going to then copy that object. And you can obviously change the color. You want to highlight this one or make this one be yellow and this one be, I don't know, green. And now because I copied these and there was an animation attached, they are all represented here in these animations. And you can obviously change the speed. Let's say we want to make them go faster as we go. So the first one took 2 seconds to appear. Let's make the second one be 1 second and the third one be half a second really fast. Let's see what this animation looks like. Slow circle, faster circle, really fast circle. And if you want to do this in conjunction with the text appearing, I'm going to highlight the text box. I'm going to animate now the text, and I'm going to have it fade in. And I'm going to do it actually one line at a time. What you can do is you can use this drop down arrow. Actually I forgot. If in order to have the text animate one at a time, I'm going to do it like this and not do the text box as a whole. I'm going to delete it. You have to actually highlight the text, and then each line now will animate separately. There's probably a different way to do that. And then I'm going to hold Control and click on each of these. I'm going to right click and have them each be a start on click if I want to be in control of when each line animates. And now I'm going to stagger these animations after the lines of text. So I'm going to put the first red animated line after line 1, the second yellow animated line after line 2, I'm just left clicking and dragging, and the third green one after line 3. Let's see what this looks like if I were highlighting or having text appear and then be highlighted one at a time. Let's play the whole thing. Text, circle, text, circle, text, circle. There you go, a simple animation to highlight text or anything on your slide. I think it's kind of fun to do it this way. It kind of looks like you're drawing. All right, hope you appreciate that. Let's go on to the next little PowerPoint tip.